Alright, so there is this American Standard heat pump starting up in cool mode. It's got a Lion Skull compressor. This thing took forever to get starting up. Okay, so it is a 13-seater, R410A refrigerant, 2-ton from December of 2014. I'll try to get these two starting up later, like it's warmer, but they've not been running. I think this is a heat pump. Could be one. Good luck. It is a heat pump. Restore pressure valve. Right there. Alright. It's already nice and cold and sweaty. So, yeah. There's just American Standard heat pump starting up in cool mode. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Over and out.